Hello traders, and welcome to our fourth lesson on the SMC strategy. In today's lesson, we'll be breaking down change of character, also known as the reversal. So in this lesson, I'll be breaking down how you can check how price is reversing. So let's start. This is what we have. You have price breaking structures to the downside. Now, as long as price is breaking structures to the downside, that is an indication for you to continue selling. Now, the moment one is a break of structure. Now, the moment price breaks this lower high, that is an indication that price is about to reverse. So that is how you can tell. We have price breaking structures to the downside. That is a break of structure. And then let me clone that. So we have price breaking structures. As long as price is breaking these structures to the downside, then we are in a downtrend. However, when price breaks that lower high, that is what we call a change of character. Sign that price is now moving to the upside. Like that. It's a break of structure. So that is a break of structure. That is to indicate now price has reversed. Now it's forming structures to the upside. And then we have from bearish from bullish to bearish. So now we have price breaking structures to the upside. Price breaking structures to the upside. Now the moment price breaks this lower high, that is a change of character to indicate price is now changing direction and it's breaking structures now to the downside. So there we have the break of structure. Let me clone that. So that is an indication that price is breaking structures to the upside. We are in an uptrend. So that is to indicate an uptrend. Now the moment price breaks this lower high, this higher low, so that is an indication that price is now reversing. That is how you can tell. So that is the change of character. It presents that price is now moving from buying to selling. Let me clone that. Like that. That is how you can tell that price is reversing. Price always has to change structure. Like that. Now that we know how to tell when price is reversing, let us go to the charts and then I'll show you how how to point out your break of structures in the higher time frames. So on GBP USD, we go to the daily time frame. You can see prices in an uptrend as we are breaking structures to the upside. So we have a higher high, higher low there. That is the change of character. So price was buying, however, price reversed because the buyers didn't maintain structure. They broke this higher low. So that is an indication that price is now selling. That is a change of character. That is a change of character. If you go to the 4-hour, you can be able to plot it nicely. So from here we had price was buying, however, price didn't maintain breaking structures to the upside, and then the sellers came in at that point. That is our change of character from the 4-hour time frame. After that happened, when buyers couldn't maintain structures, sellers came in and we started breaking structures to the downside. And then if we go to the Euro USD, we can see we are in an uptrend. However, we have a change of character there. So price was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The buyers could not maintain structure, so we had a change of character there. That is an indication that the sellers are coming in to the market. That is a change of character. That is a change of character right there. If you go to the 4 hours, you can be able to see when price changed character. So we had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. However, buyers could not maintain the structure, and then we had a change of character at that point where the sellers came into the market. So right there, that is where the change of character happened. Like that. That is how you can tell. And then if we minimize, we were breaking structures to the downside. However, buyers broke structure here where we had a change of character. That is where the character changed. We started moving up from buying. So that is a change of character. So that is how you can tell when price is about to reverse. If we go to gold, and then if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can be able to spot the change of character. So price was breaking structures to the upside. However, there, that is where we had the change of characters, because there the sellers broke the higher low. So that is a change of character. So that is a change of character. And then right here, we're breaking structures to the downside. So that is a break of structure to the downside. And then we had lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then there, the sellers could not maintain structure, and then the buyers came in. So there, that is where we had there. That is where we had there the change of character. So from there we had our change of character. So right now, buyers are in control and we are breaking structures to the upside. So right now we are moving up. So price is in an uptrend because we are breaking structures to the upside. And then if we go to volatility 101S, we can be able to spot the change of character. So we had buyers in the market. So we're buying, we're moving from this point to that point. We had buyers, however, the buyers could not maintain structure, and then we had a change of character at that point. So at that point, that is where we had a change of character. So from buying, now we had sellers in the market. So that is how you can tell the moment buyers are unable to maintain structure, then the sellers came in. And then if we move down here, we can spot a change of character right here. So we're breaking structures to the downside. However, the sellers will not maintain structures. The buyers came in the market. And then that is what we call our change of character. So at that point, that is where the buyers came into the market. That is a change of character right there. And then if we go to the 4-hour, you can be able to clearly see the sellers were in control. However, they could not maintain structures, and then the buyers broke structure. And then let's do the last one, which is volatility 75. So from here, we were selling. However, the sellers could not maintain structures. The buyers came into the market, and then they broke structure. So that is the change of character. Change of character. That one is a reversal to indicate the sellers don't have momentum anymore. The buyers are now in the market. And then the buyers had momentum until that point where they could not maintain structure. The sellers broke the higher low. Sellers broke the higher low. That is an indication that the sellers are now in the market. That is a change of character. So that is how you can tell when price is about to reverse. All right, traders, that is all for lesson 4 of our course. If you did get something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in our next video.